Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, to a new video. Those who are new, I make sketches and painting videos for beginners. Recently I posted a short video of a landscape sketch using graphite pencils. I thought, why don't I try a painting version of that? So let's get started. I'll start with the sky. Here we are using Prussian blue from Bustro. You can use any brand. By the way, I'm not promoting this brand, not a promotion. Also, yes, an important information: if you can, just try to apply a primer, white primer or a white liquid color as base for canvas. It'll make it easier for you to blend, because it took me a lot of effort to blend. Anyway, after a lot of blending, this is how it looks. Now we will be using white color, white titanium white from Camlin. I have it from Camlin. I actually forgot to shoot how to make clouds, because while I was doing, I got a call and then I forgot to actually turn on the camera. Anyway, if you have any doubts or if you want to know how to draw clouds, you can just write it on the comments. I'll do a separate video of that. Draw mountains, I'll be adding ivory black, burnt sienna, crimson and Prussian blue. After mixing it, it will look like something like this. Little brownish, reddish, blackish kind of color, and trying to give shape of mountains. Alright. If you do not have this tool, you can use a fork maybe, or even a knife. Usually we have butter knife at home, so you can actually use butter knife. I have personally used it, so it still does the work. I mean, it works better than this, so you can use that. Okay, I'll just remove the extras. Adding another mountain. Okay, a little bit of color right now. So now I'm adding white, titanium white, on top of these mountains with the help of this painting knife. Just have to be a bit careful because this is the final look for these mountains. So if this is messed up, I can't do anything else, so need to be very careful with the directions. So what I'm doing is I'm just trying to give it a pattern so that it looks like there are many mountains, more than one. Right, so just trying to scrape off a little bit. Covering the base, so I've almost coated all the parts with white, so now it looks kind of complete to me. Just giving it a final touch up. After this we'll be done. Right, so here using the same mixture that we used for mountains, I've just added a little more of sap green, and drawing bushes. So these will be in dark blackish green kind of color because these are like very far. Using the same color to create a base. I'm adding black because initially I thought I'll be giving this painting this way, but then I changed my mind. I'm going to add white color on top of this so that it looks like there was a recent snowfall. Using white color, just covering this part. Right. Just using this brush, kind of dabbing it, because anyway snow doesn't have a shape, so I don't think it will look bad if we just dab it. Dabbing a little bit of circular motion will not harm. Also, the reason I'm adding white after drawing trees, that is because it will look good. It will look like there was a recent snowfall, so it'll give a different kind of look. So that was my plan. Okay, this side I'm just blending it down. just blending it with another brush so that it looks like it more like a reflection. Right, so covering this part of this canvas. Right. So I'm just adding, completely covering up with white. Right. Do you see the river? Because I've added green, it's giving a nice kind of reflection. Just blending it here. Right. Now I have to add ice on top of these bushes and trees. So before that I thought, let me add some green, because since these trees are quite closer to us, it looks close, so adding a bit of green only to these trees which are kind of close to us, not the ones at the back. Like once we are done, now I'm adding white. We are almost done. Adding eyes on top of these trees and bushes. We're almost at the end of this video. So let's see the result.